I'm trying to get to feel what I need to say to him, but I'm not 100% sure.
Okay. You mentioned this was referred by somebody else. What's her connection to him?
So she's the CFO of his company.
Perfect. But this is for his private real estate?
This is for a vacation home he owns here in Canada.
And how did you connect with her?
So I've known her like for years, and we were actually out for dinner, and she said, "Hey, would you be interested in, taking care of this in cottage country?"
Okay.
Said, "Yeah, I just sold one last year up there. Yeah, I could definitely do it. It's way above, like it's a $20 million property, and I've never dealt in that high."
Okay. Couple things with everybody, but especially true with high net worth individuals. We screw this one up. It's real easy to screw this up, okay? You're going to get intimidated because this is a high net worth individual. It's a $20 million house. He's got 5 of these. He likes to win. He's read this book. He's read that book. Here's what you got to realize. This is just a transaction for him, right? It's just a transaction. So the more you can stay cool, calm, and collected, right? Like go listen to air traffic. Well, we've had some stuff going on lately, but go the air traffic control and the super big jumbos, right? What is the big ass one? The Airbus A380. I don't know. What's the biggest Airbus? I can't remember, right? They land the exact same way a Cessna does, right? 112, and they're super calm and cool and collected. So you also have this CFO. Let's say her name is Jenny. She's saying, let's say his name is Steve. Steve's selling this condo, blah, blah, blah. You got to be cool, calm, and collected and not be like, hey, Steve, it's Matt with, what are you helping him with? You're helping him with mortgage? Real estate, right? It's Matt with Sotheby's, man. And, I'm just really excited to talk to you. And Jenny said some great things about you. Here's when it's a referral like that, you've already been friends with her. So the first piece that you're going to do, and you maybe already have done a first piece. It's okay if you didn't do this, but I'm just going to start you from the beginning because I don't know where you're at. But the first piece that I would do if it was me and Jenny was my friend and she says, I'm the CFO of Steve. He's worth $100 million. He's got 5 houses. He needs to get this one out of Canada. I would call Steve and go, hey, Steve, Matt Easton over here at Easton Real Estate. Jenny had called in a favor and asked me to just take a look at the deal that you're doing there, getting that property out of Canada. I'm happy to help you as a favor to Jenny in any way possible. Wanted to reach out to you personally. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. I'm not excited. I'm not a spaz, right?
I've already got it. I'm going on Tuesday.
Perfect, right?
Great. Got it. All he wanted was, he wanted to know my price, what I do,
yep,
and look at my background.
Perfect. Matter of, you need to just stay in that lane because he's already proven everything that I said by high net worth individuals, man. His time is really important. He's going to know if he trusts you. The more you fluff it, the more doubt it's going to give him, right? What's most important to us, and I just want to make sure that I'm clear on something in this transaction. What's most important to us? Well, I want to win. When you say you want to win, can you give me a specific example? Because I want to make sure that I'm on the exact same page. Is winning getting it sold fast? Is winning it getting it sold at the highest price? If we were to slide that scale, where do you want to slide, right? I work for you. You call the play, I'll run the play, right? And just be very matter of fact. And then say, hey, because of the fact that you had said, we want to get it sold quickly. We don't want to go a penny under 19.5. I've helped a number of clients in very similar, you don't have to lie and say you've sold other 19 million, in very similar positions with a balance just like that. I'm very confident that we can get this thing closed on schedule or ahead of schedule at around that price. Does it make sense to have me list this property for you, right? And go right into your close. This whole deal could be wrapped up in 9 minutes. It's the people that don't have any money that are going to take 9 visits. This was going to cost this guy $250,000 to have 9 meetings with you because of the opportunity cost of what he could be doing with those other meetings. So you be skillful. What's the most important thing we need to accomplish during our conversation right now? Right? I've got a few ideas. I had talked to Jenny. She brought me up to speed on the situation, but before I even go through any of that, what do you need to accomplish? Right? And then boom, just land that damn plane. You will do just fine. Less is more.
So say that to him. Like, what do you want to accomplish?
Not even what do you want to accomplish? Huge difference. What's the most important thing that we need to accomplish on this call? Right? What do you want to accomplish? I don't know. I want to sell my house. Now we're just playing, what is that? Rosie, around the rosy, right? No, what's the most important thing hey, Jenny had called in a favor. I'm happy to help you. Whether you go with me or not, I've been doing this a long time. And Jenny is a terrific friend. So I'm happy to do it as a favor for her, right? By the way, nobody ever talks to that person like that because he's high net worth, so they suck up to him. Ooh, I want your business. Like, you have to come across like you could care less. Jenny, though, is a friend of yours, and you've known Jenny for a while. She had asked for a favor. She's called, and by the way, that puts you in it. That gives you a Teflon suit of armor, because then when he tries to muscle you around, be like, hey, Jenny had asked, well, why are you reaching out to me? Why do you want this deal? Jenny had asked a favor for me to, devote whatever resources I can and help you on this, whether you end up choosing me as the broker or not, right?
She does all the signing, so
yeah.
he just has to say yes.
Perfect. You're good. What's the most important, as we're having this, thank you, Rick, thank you, Joe, for Steve or whatever his name is, for taking this call. What's the most important? I've got a few ideas of what we want to knock off here on this call. Jenny had brought me up to speed on the current situation and what you're looking for in terms of exiting Canada with that property. But before we get started, Joe, what's the most important thing that you need to accomplish while we're on the phone today? He'll lay it right out for you. I want to know your experience. I want to know how many units you did last year, and I want to know your game plan for getting my house sold. And then just go right into your Easton University. When you say game plan, can you give me a specific example of what you were hoping to lay out, right? Marketing, blah, 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 blah. And then it's a skillful conversation. I think you can wrap this whole deal up in one call. And everybody else that gets in touch with him is going to make it way more difficult. Chelsea runs into this in recruiting. Like, the higher she goes in the food chain, the more those people just want a really tight conversation, right? The people that have no authority to hire a recruiter will talk her ear off for 2 hours. You got this. I believe in you.
I'll keep you posted.
Yeah, keep me posted.
Hey Dad, what's an easy way for salespeople to make a lot more money right now?
I got you, and I got you. It's to learn how to close. It's the simplest thing that I teach, and people that know how to close, boom, they start making a lot more money. And I'm gonna pay $300 for you to learn how to close right here, right now. It's the closing mini masterclass from me, from Easton University. I'm gonna give it away to you for free right now. Click the link and I will send you the closing mini masterclass for free. You're gonna make a lot more money. They're gonna make a lot more money. You're gonna make a lot more money. I want you to take it too, all right? We'll see you on the other side. Grab the closing mini masterclass.